In this lecture, I am going to explain about Chomsky normal form. In Chomsky normal form, the production rule will be before arrow there should be one non-terminal or variable, which is context-free grammar. After arrow there can be two variables or there can be one terminal. So after arrow there can be two non-terminals, which is represented by capital letter, or there can be one terminal which is denoted by small letter or number or special characters. So this is the production rule for Chomsky normal form. Next, I am going to explain about conversion of context-free grammar to Chomsky normal form. If I want to convert context-free grammar to Chomsky normal form, first step is eliminate useless production. Next step is to eliminate null production from the grammar. Step 3 is to eliminate unit production from the grammar. Step 4, I'm going to introduce new variable and I'm going to substitute some terminals or variables to convert context-free grammar to Chomsky normal form. So all the steps are written over here. Now I'll explain this conversion of context-free grammar to Chomsky normal form with example. Question is written over here. In this, four non-terminals are used, that is B suffix in, two terminals are used, and S is start symbol and this is production rule. Now I am going to solve this, that is I am going to convert this context-free grammar to Chomsky normal form. So step 1 is to eliminate useless production. So I'm going to check is there any useless production from this grammar. So always while finding useless production, I have to start with start symbol. In this example, I have start symbol as yes and I have only one S production. So I'm going to start with S tends to 0 AC. I'm going with leftmost derivation. So instead of this A, I'm going to substitute A production. So I have two A production in front of me. I can choose any of that A production. So I'm going to choose A tends to 0 AB. So instead of A, I have substituted 0 AB. So it will be 0, 0 ABC. Again, left side first character is A. So instead of A, I want to substitute any A production. I have two A production in front of me. I'm going to choose A tends to 1B now. So it will be 001 BBC. Now I have next non-terminal as B. So I'm going to substitute B production. I have one B production, that is B tends to 1. So it will be 0011 BC. Again I have next non-terminal as B. So instead of this B, I'm going to substitute B production. So it will be B tends to 1. So now it will be 00111 C. Now I have non-terminal left over here is capital letter C. So I'm going to check C production. So I'm having one C production, that is C tends to 0. So instead of C, I'm going to substitute 0. So I'll be getting 001110. I started with start symbol and I got input string at the end. I got yield for this grammar. So I started with start symbol and I got input string at the end after deriving all this production. So let me check what are the production I have used in this derivation. So I have used S tends to 0 AC, then I have used A tends to 0 AB, I have used A tends to 1B, B tends to 1 and C tends to 0. So I have used all the production in this grammar while deriving this input string, and at the end I got input string also. So there is no useless production in this grammar. Next I am checking is there any null production. So there is no production in which there is null after arrow, and I am checking is there any unit production, and there is no unit production. So I am going to step 4. Simultaneously I am going to write resultant production, that is after conversion of Chomsky normal form. Let me write all the part of this grammar. G dash, set of non-terminal, set of terminals, set of production rule and start symbol. So set of terminal will be same as like the grammar G, and start symbol will also be same. So I'm going to check this production which is in grammar G, and in which there are two productions which is already in the form of Chomsky normal form. So I'm going to write those production here. B tends to 1 and C tends to 0, which is already in the form of Chomsky normal form. After arrow, I have only one terminals here, which is denoted by number. And there are three production which is not in the form of Chomsky normal form. I'm going to write that productions here in the step 4, which is not in the form of CNF. So I'm going to give number for this production. This is production 1, production 2 and production 3. First, I'm going to take production 1. So first, if I see this production 1 and production 2, I could able to see 0 here and two non-terminals, and production 2 also 0 and two non-terminals are there. So instead of the 0, I'm going to introduce one new non-terminal which is not given in this grammar. New non-terminal D0 tends to 0. Now I'm going to substitute this fourth production in production 1 and production 2, so that I could able to convert this context free grammar to Chomsky normal form. So after substitution of this fourth production in first and second production, my production will be S tends to D suffix 0 AC and A tends to B suffix 0 AB. Now again I have three non-terminals here. So already I introduced new non-terminal D0 in both fifth and sixth production. I'm going to introduce new non-terminal. Instead of this AC, I'm going to introduce new non-terminal, that is DA, and the production I'm going to write is DA tends to AC. So let the production number be 7. Now I'm going to substitute seventh production in fifth production, so that my production will convert in the form of Chomsky normal form. So my production will be D suffix 0 and D suffix A. So now my production is in the form of Chomsky normal form. Likewise, this production D naught tends to 0 is also in the form of Chomsky normal form. D suffix A tends to AC is also in the form of Chomsky normal form. So let me rewrite those production in this G dash. So let me give name for this production as 8. So now this production is in the form of Chomsky normal form. Now I have to concentrate on sixth production. So instead of in sixth production, I could able to see A tends to D suffix 0 AB. So instead of this AB, I am going to introduce D suffix B tends to AB. Now I am going to substitute this ninth production and sixth production, so that I could able to convert this sixth production in the form of Chomsky normal form. So my production will be A tends to D suffix 0 and D suffix B. Now these two productions are in the form of Chomsky normal form. Now I'll rewrite this production in grammar G dash. Now I completed this S tends to 0 AC production. I completed this production. Only one production is left over, that is A tends to B. So I'll write it over here. So in third production, if I introduce new not terminal, that is suppose if I introduce D suffix 1 tends to 1, then I could able to convert this production also in the form of Chomsky normal form. That is the product. There will be two non-terminal after arrow. So let me introduce new non-terminal D suffix 1 tends to 1. So let me give name for this production as 11. Now I am going to substitute this 11th production in third production. So my third production will be like this. A tends to D suffix 1B. Now in my 12th production also, after arrow, I have two variables are non-terminals, which is denoted by capital letter. So this is also in the form of Chomsky normal form. So this production D1 tends to 1, after arrow I have one terminal. A tends to D suffix 1B is also in the form of Chomsky normal form. After arrow, I have two non-terminal. So all these productions are converted to Chomsky normal form. I'm rewriting this 11 and 12 in this grammar G dash. A tends to D suffix 1B and D suffix 1 tends to 1. Resultant grammar G dash after converting to Chomsky normal form. So if you see this grammar, after arrow, I have two capital letters that is two non-terminal. Here also I am having two non-terminal which is denoted by capital letter. Here also two capital letters. So here one terminal which is denoted by number, and two characters are there which is also non-terminal. Two non-terminal is here, D suffix B tends to AB, and after arrow one terminal is there. Hence this production is in the form of Chomsky normal form. This is how we have to convert Candice-free grammar to Chomsky normal form.